Good morning from beautiful Ghana. I just woke up and right now I'm in Accra. I arrived yesterday at the Motorway International Airport and I'm recording straight from my hotel room. Soon I'll be getting out and about. So I will show you the area I'm staying, which is called Airport City. This is just a stone throw from the airport, which is a new place they've built around the airport with modern infrastructure and offices of multinational companies as well as big local companies, hotels, supermarkets, shopping malls, service stations. Yeah, there's a lot going on. So soon I'll get out and I'll video the area I'm lodging to give you an idea of how some part of Ghana looks like. To be specific, Accra, which is Ghana's capital. Okay, we'll get out soon. Accra, Ghana. Straight from our hotel window. That's the view. People are heading to work from different suburbs of the city to wherever they are going to hustle during the day. Just got out of my hotel. Here is where I'm lodging. Ibis Styles. Okay. Look at the environment. There's a huge building under construction. So here is called Airport City. Very convenient if you are flying out of the country or you are flying in. So when you get out of the airport, it's just like it took me about 10 minutes to walk to this place. Only 10 minutes. And there's a lot of construction boom in this area, so it shows that there's a lot of development to come and a lot of potentials. That's Ghana. Ghana is growing. That's Airport City, Accra. As you can see on the signboard, no hawking, no parking. Maximum speed is 40 kilometers per hour. That's Holiday Inn. I find this architecture very impressive, modern, futuristic, and artistic. Wow. I really love nice infrastructure. It's awesome. It's 7:58 in the morning and people are commuting to engage in their daily activities. So the street is not too busy at the moment because this is a feeder road, but soon we will arrive on the main street, the main motorway, which I'm sure it will be choked with traffic. Shush, KFC in Ghana. Ooh, look at Burger King over there. So all the multinationals are trooping in. Wow, that's modern Ghana for you. Should have been homeland of the organics. Shell, Burger King. That's an old plane which has been converted to a restaurant. It's called La Tante DC-10 restaurant. If I have a lot of time here, I would like to go and experience their food and their service. I can see Marriott Hotel over there as well. Look at the guys skating. Wow, very impressive. I'm now on the motorway. I think this area is called Airport Residential Area, I believe. So this is still not too far from Motorway International. That's a bus stop. Passengers are waiting for a commercial bus or taxi. So busy. Early morning in Accra. So these minibuses you see are called Trotro. It's a commercial minibus which anyone can take from one place to the other, and the price is very cheap. It's like you pay about 20 cents Australian or 15 cents US to 50 cents Australian, or say 42 cents US for a ride. So you just jump in and mix with other passengers and commute from one place to the other. This very common means of transport in Ghana is called Trotro. There's construction going on everywhere here in Ghana. This shows that the country is developing. Everyone is trying to do something. People want to live independently without facing any hassle from landlords or property owners. So that's the city of Accra sprawling from the hills of Ebri. Someone's mansion under construction with a barbecue. Life goes on. As I stand on the hills of Ebri, I can see a lot of suburbs growing northwards of Accra and towns growing from eastern region about to join the Accra city. The growth rate in this part of Ghana is insane. It's like on steroids. I believe in the next 5 to 10 years, if Ghana is on track, Accra and its surroundings have the potential to develop to become one of the megapolises on the African continent. At every corner, something new is popping out. So I'm back to the city of Accra, and at the moment, I'm walking around the Tetekwashi roundabout or Tetekwashi interchange, and right in front of me is this very beautiful architecture. It's so big I can't fit all in my camera, but as you can see, it's nice, modern and sophisticated. I'm now climbing the stairs of a pedestrian overpass to video one of the most busiest motorways here in Accra, called Liberation Road. It's 6:25 p.m. at the moment and it's rush hour. You can see a lot of the city dwellers leaving the main center of the city to go to their various homes in the suburbs or the townships which is surrounding Accra. This is one of the biggest interchanges in the city. So commuters are heading to Tema, the northern suburbs, the southern suburbs. It's a very busy interchange. At this interchange, people will detour to their various communities, their various estates, their various suburbs, townships, wherever. Look at the traffic, so many cars. This coming live from Ghana's capital, Accra. I'll be ending my wander around the city of Accra and its surroundings here tonight, and go and find something to eat and drink. I've been out and about all day. I've done a lot of walkings going here and there, climbing the hill, walking everywhere. And it's about time for me to pause and go and rejuvenate. Thanks for your time and warm greetings to you wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.